So your question is, what the difference between system and goals? Alright. So in my opinion, goals are about the results you want to achieve, and system are about the processes that lead to those results. For example, if you are a coach for sports, your goal must be to win a championship, but your system is the way you recruit players, manage your assistant coaches, and conduct practice. So in another example, if you are an entrepreneur, so your goal might be to build a $1 billion business, but your system is how you test any product ideas, hire the right employees, and run marketing campaigns. So one more example, if you are a musician, so your goal might be to play new pieces. So your system is how often you practice, how you break down and tackle difficult measures, and your method for receiving feedback from your instructors. So if you want better results, forget about setting goals. Focus on your system instead. What do I mean by this? Are goals completely useless? Of course not at all. But goals are good for setting a direction, but systems are best for making progress. Got it?